Hey everyone! Do you want to create an NFT website using WordPress block editor? With ready website templates from Templately, you can do just that without coding. Let's see how. Make sure you have installed and activated both versions of Templately Free and Pro. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Templately template library. Next, choose Gutenberg from the down arrow. Now, search for NFT Vault and click on the template pack. Hit the live demo button to see how this template would look live on site. Going back to the default pack, click the Insert Full Site button. Add your site title, tagline and hit Next. Check the required dependencies and click the Install and Proceed button to start importing. The template pack will be installed in a few moments. Once done, click the Visit Your Website button. Next, from the top bar, choose Edit Page to start customizing. To display your NFT collection on a block, you need to add an NFT API. Click the hyperlink text to integrate the NFT Platform API. You will be taken to the Essential Blocks API Integrations page. Here, click Edit under the OpenSea NFT and input the platform's API key. Then, hit the Save Changes button. Your NFT collection will appear on the block. Now, you can adjust its appearance in the block settings. Choose a type and limit for the item's number. Next, select a layout type from the drop-down, either list or grid. You can also adjust its preset and set the number of items per row. Then, toggle the buttons below to choose how to display the NFT image, title and buttons on hover. Once done with the customizations on the General tab, go to the Style tab and adjust the column and row gaps. Next, click Item Box Styles to modify the overlay color and padding. Similarly, you can customize other items of the image, title and buttons as needed. On the Advanced tab, adjust settings, margin and padding and others according to your preference. Finally, hit the Save button to implement your settings. This is how easily you can create an NFT website in WordPress block editor using Templately templates. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, like, comment, share and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this.